Okay, good afternoon. There's a few trades today. First was NQ early morning for me. It was about 7:30, 7:15 was doing my prep. Again, looking at the day, just a daily review. Looking, it was inside. We came from higher, so I was still. We're inside. Had higher lows, but I was still more short-minded. Expecting to move lower. We never did that. We found buyers here at the value area low and this size back here, so still some buying. But anyway, what I saw was double top, and so this was short. I was expecting, since we moved down to here last time, and expecting to move similar move again. Of course, it doesn't have to, and it didn't. So I was short at this location where we took out the last buyers. Nice support resistance area there, and as you can see, clear on this. But as far as my plan goes, this was the previous M30 high, and sellers held that pretty well. So anyway, I got in the right time before we moved away. My profit taking was a bit conservative. I really wanted to see what he did down here. I could have waited. As I've said before, NQ so choppy and volatile that I'd take profit pretty quickly, at least with just the one lot I have on here today. And it was just the one lot. It was a small risk, because maybe 8 ticks or something. And that's because I literally just had sat down at the computer and saw, briefly analyzing what was going on in the day, saw some sellers hit in here, and holding. So anyway, yeah, profit taken here. Obviously, this is my second TP, or the plan for the target was yesterday's value area low, which was just perfect there. Definitely could have squeezed a lot more ticks out of that. I got about 2/3 of the move, so not too bad. So higher low again, still buyers here, obviously. Move up back to the highs, look back at the daily chart again so get a better view and context. So back to the highs again. Nice consolidation here earlier. So beautiful support resistance, holds and holds again. So still expecting to move lower. Didn't test the low yet, so I was still expecting to move down lower. Even again down, test the low, or maybe the size back into here where you could liquidate. And so I was looking for a short again, and saw the opportunity here a little after lunch, around lunchtime, and so this was nice support resistance. Actually, the same area was before, so some sellers were still interested here, and you can see we had some buying, and then we cracked those buyers. So of course, we expect some selling to be here, some sellers, and he does hold and push lower. I was first looking for this, and I wasn't real convicted that he would go lower, just because I see the higher lows. So buyers definitely have some strength here. Still could go, but you go with what you just read the market, and go with what I could see. So I just got out right on the M5 close, and you can see that was the perfect timing there. It was actually could have shorted there for another scalp, but to me that was done. So that was my NQ trades for the day. I don't know, it was total. I don't know what it was, 30 ticks maybe or something. Well, the one lot, actually 60 ticks, but divided by $5. So, or times 5, whatever, however you want to do it. So, so that is it for NQ. Back to the highs. So we could still see a move lower. Be interested to see what happens at the end of the day here.